Hello everyone, welcome back to Cast2cloud tutorial. In the first 4 videos, I presented the complete process to define your finite element problem. From mesh creation, model definition to result visualization. Today, I will show you how to use your external mesh file with Cast2cloud. We will create a new project. And in the launcher page I will select import your full mesh option. Currently, Cast2cloud support 3 mesh format. You can import UNV mesh file, MSH mesh file which is created by GMSH and INP mesh file. For this example, I will use a UNV file. By clicking on UNV button, you can select your local mesh file, and once the uploaded process is finished, you can see the information about the uploaded mesh. You can get type of element, size of your mesh and the group defined in your mesh. When everything is okay, you can click on next button to process to group definition page. Like the mesh creation case in tutorial number 2, you can add a point from coordinate, a line from 2 points, and in this case of imported mesh, a plane surface is defined from 3 points. We have one new tab here. This is predefined group. These are group defined in your mesh file. In the visualization panel, you can show or hide these groups. Once you defined all your groups, next step is model definition, and it is the same as in mesh creation case. You can refer to tutorial number 3 for more information. Thank you very much for using Cast2cloud.